Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to our daily financial outlook. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The gold-dollar pair plummeted 1.1% in the last session. The CCI indicates an oversold market. The euro-dollar pair fell 0.8% in the last session. According to the CCI, we are in an oversold market. The pound-dollar pair dropped 0.8% in the last session. The ROC's negative signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The Aussie-dollar pair plummeted 1.1% in the last session. The Williams indicator indicates an oversold market.
Coming up, our chief analyst's choices for today.
The United Auto Workers' ongoing strike against Ford, General Motors and Stellantis is in its third week and has already cost the US economy nearly $4 billion, with workers losing $325 million in wages. Bitcoin rose above the $28,000 mark to log its highest price in over a month, as analysts pointed to ETF optimism and seasonality among the reasons behind the gains. Tesla reported slower third-quarter sales that fell short of Wall Street forecasts. The world's largest electric car maker reported it delivered 435,000 vehicles in the period, down 7% from the 466,000 deliveries in the second quarter.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The US JOLTS job openings will be released at 1400 hours GMT. The US Red Book Index at 1255 GMT. Spain's unemployment change at 0700 hours GMT. Japan's 10Y bond auction will be released at 0335 GMT. Australia's RBA interest rate decision at 0330 GMT. Australia's RBA rate statement at 0330 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.